Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for the first timers here, welcome! My name is Billy. Hello! And here I am back with another fragrance review for Avon Heaven Sent Family Cologne in Tender Blooms. Yan. So ito itsura niya. You will see. Kulay pink ang kanyang cap tsaka yung theme niya dito. And it's a floral fragrance with the notes of bergamot, blackberry, osmanthus, and peony, and violet, and cedarwood. So first of all, thank you sa inyong suporta at nakaabot na tayo ng 3,600 subscribers! Yay! So now, here I am. Ito yung aking review for another variant of Avon Heaven Sent Family Cologne, which is Tender Blooms. So, ayan. Ito yung kanyang motif. Pink. Tsaka pink din yung kulay ng kanyang takip. So, it's a floral scent with notes of bergamot. And aside from that, it has notes of blackberry and osmanthus and peony and violet and cedarwood. I first tried this last Friday, so naamoy ko agad yung berry scent, yung berry and floral blend niya. And later on, nagkaroon din ng notes of peony and osmanthus, and as it melted na sa skin ko, nandun na yung scent of violet and cedarwood. Pasensya na po kayo. And it lasted to me for around 2 hours, but I did reapply because I like the floralness and fruitiness of this scent. Since I was younger, since I was little, nagustuhan ko na yung mga floral and fruity scents eh. Even as I shifted to perfumes or yung mga musky, moody fragrances, nandun pa yun yung gusto kong floral or fruity impressions or profiles. And I like na itong Tender Blooms is made for the whole family to enjoy. Kaya family cologne na yung labeling niya. Anyone can wear this, from students to workers, parents, etc. So it's good for daily wear, and of course kailangan ito mag-reapply as much as you want, lalo na pagpawisin kayo. Like me, I tried reapplying this sa work during break time dahil naging pawisin ako. Since childhood na ako pawisin eh. So I decided to reapply this one dahil I like the floral scent of this Tender Blooms fragrance. So finally, I'm going to rate this Avon Heaven Sent Tender Blooms 9.5 out of 10 stars. Yes! It's true dahil nagustuhan ko yung floral scent nito with a hint of berry and fruitiness. And it's perfect for those na gusto ng ganong profile of scent without being too overpowering or hindi masyadong matapang sa amoy, of any age or gender or whatever status in life that you're at. Pwede po to sa inyo. Do not worry. And before we wrap up this review, I'd like to give a quick shout out sa mga colleagues ko po sa current work ko. Let's start with @Jaya Espeleta sa Instagram. It's great to see you around. Hopefully we can catch up soon. As well as kay TL @JM Sinambaga, also on Instagram. I like na nagkakausap pa tayo occasionally at sana mas madalas pa tayong magkita-kita. So, again, after a few takes, nagawa ko rin ito ng tama, but I don't mind. It takes practice before we get these right. So, ito yung aking review for this Heaven Sent Family Cologne by Avon and Tender Blooms. I like its floral and fruity blend. This is perfect for anyone na hindi mahilig sa heavy fragrances or those na gusto manatiling fresh lang at parang amoy bagong ligo ang dating. So, it's one of their affordable fragrances na pwede nyong suotin or i-apply sa skin regularly or as much as you want. So, once again, thank you for watching this review for fragrances. So, promise, babawi po tayo and I'll do more content for you and see you all in my next video. Have a great day ahead and take care always.
I'd like to give as well a shout out to Lance Angelo Cunanan, Hannah Rain Leonardo, Jude Bonil Spicer, Darwin Gas, Emirs Angel Yoj Rarugal, Kaislyn Pedeglorio, Tasha, Jerry Christopher Bitalak, Rico Mark Angelo Sanggalang, and Leana Purificacion. Shoutout as well to River, Jericho De Rojas, Mark Franco Carrion, Roxanne Reyes, Apple Jane Andoy, Lance Walter Gutierrez, Nicole Rake, Daryl Tizon, Alali Marie 14, Rovelyn Sablay, Claire Andrada, Jana Navarro, Silas, Ronald John Calanayan, Kendall Gabriel Villamor, Josh Hush, Christian Manisalbas, Cristel Albaladejo, Daya Matuog, Jonas Masaki, Cheryl Ann Conmigo, Colleen Onayan, Luis Joshua Santos, Rox Dizon, Paul Calamno, Irie Horado, Dwight Tilly, Janice Antonio, Jennifer Antonio, Katrina Miracle Sico, George Noriega, Herbie Bakir, and Tyler Angeles. Shout out as well to L. Francis Labata, Jonna May Gomez, Kate Dionson, Russell Javier, Alexia Rain Dator, Nika Larrazabal, Ivan Gambol, Jule Arclaner Capistrano, Jules Estrella, Roscar Campos, RJ Narvaez, Micah Bautista, and to everyone else who are supporting my channel, and to all my workmates and former schoolmates, hello to everyone. Thank you for the support.